All right, making our program, we're gonna get into MDI. So basically we're gonna make a new program with a new number. I've got my print. We're gonna do the top side here. We're gonna program as the print sits. So I'm gonna program from the top down here. I'm gonna start from my right side over, because that's the way the print is laid out. If these lines here, if you notice, it says 4 times. So this 604 move is gonna translate all the way through our part here. So we can use each one of these over, we can translate them through, so I know that this part has distances that I'm going to be able to use in those locations. So they're all kind of relatively the same. So I think I'm going to be able to copy a lot of these movements. So we're going to go into 8. We've got a new MDI, so we've got a new program. I can drill a roll, I can face the part, position. Remember, a lot of these are the same functions that we found in that other menu, which was like the do move. The do move means that you're just going to do it one time and then you're done. But here we're going to do multiple different times. We're going to do multiple different things. So I'm going to start off with my drilling. So if I go into, I can go into position drill. I can go into drill row. Usually what happens in drill row, when I fill it out, I'll have to go in and modify because I don't always get my steps correct. So if I know that I have equal steps from 604 to 1.208 to 1.812 and then to 2 inches 0.416, if they're all equal steps, you can drill a roll. You can say that, and here it says drill a roll. We can go in and we can skip holes, view part, but here it tells you kind of where to start. So we're not starting at X0, Y0, but we are starting at a X move of a 505. So right here on our print, my X move, sorry, is 604. My Y move is 505. But remember, I got to put it in the correct direction of where I picked off from. So if this is my quadrant here, I'm actually going to be working in the minus X, because if this is my 0 and I'm going to be working that way, it's going to be on the minus side of the X, not the positive side. And same thing with the Y, I'm going to be working down, so we got to remember that. So we're going to go in here and we're going to hit minus, maybe. Minus 0.604. And then we just hit the enter button, it'll just jump down to the next line. Here's your cursor. I'm going to cursor over. I'm going to hit also the minus button again, hit it a couple times because it's sensitive. 0.05. Oh, if I just go back, I can just hit that. So I can move this cursor by using the cursor arrows. I can also go down to the next one. Now it says drill depth. Yeah, I mean, maybe I'll put a line in there that says minus point, I don't know, 100. Incremental X distance, incremental Y distance. So now I want to move in the X and I want to move over whatever that distance is. So if I do the math for that, which I probably should have done, man, these videos are starting to get awkward. So I will do that math, I will put that in there, and then I'll show you drill point line too.